and more. Here's a look at your forecast with Tracy.
Hey, thanks, Elizabeth. Forecast, pretty nice. Definitely worth looking at today. Here's what we're expecting, a big warm up in your temperatures, so I thought we'd do a comparison. Warming up, yesterday's highs versus today's highs. 73 in Livermore, 74 in Santa Rosa, 65 in San Francisco, 71 in San Jose. Today, 85 in Livermore, 12 degrees warmer, 84 in Santa Rosa, warming up 7 degrees in San Francisco to 72, and 81 degrees in San Jose. Yeah, that's what you call a warm-up. So we're warming up today. We warm up even more as we head into the weekend. Take a look. Saturday and Sunday, temperatures in the mid-90s. Yeah, also for Monday, near 80 around the bay and the lower 70s for the coastline. With gusty winds coming in offshore, that's going to drive up our temperatures, also lower our humidity levels. So we are looking at high fire danger around the Bay Area. That will move in overnight tonight and throughout the weekend. Monday, sunshine, cooling down Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But plenty of sunshine expected well through the end of next week. That is a look at your weather. Back up to you.
Thank you, Tracy. It is 6:34.
The Bay Bridge is actually absolutely clear, so we'll be dealing with that today. A few low clouds along the coastline, but temperatures are expected to be pretty nice. So let's take a look. Here's a look at our daily planner. And we do expect some clouds, some pockets of clouds along the coastline. Slight wind, temperatures in the lower to the mid-50s. The closer you get into the bay, some sunshine expected and clear and mild conditions inland. Yeah, look at that, the 60s in the morning. Sunrise at 5:59, and we're expecting plenty of sunshine all day long. Lunchtime, more warm temperatures in the mid-70s around midday. Near seasonal highs around bay to the mid-60s. And for the coastline, minimal clouds expected. Few clouds hanging in there from time to time, but all in all expecting a mix of sun and clouds. So here's a look at our true view based on model data. You can see most of the clouds hanging off the coastline, just a few moving in just through the Golden Gate Bridge from time to time today. But much of the Bay Area, North Bay, East Bay, and South Bay will be looking at a whole lot of sunshine today, and that's going to lead us to temperatures today that will be slightly warmer than what you had yesterday. So let's take a look. Some of those locations: San Jose 89, 87 in Sunnyvale, 84 in Mountain View, 84 in Redwood City. We could see 70 at Half Moon Bay, depending on how those clouds flirt from time to time. Mid-60s in Pacifica, and the lower to mid-80s in Hayward, Union City, as well as in Fremont. 90s in Antioch and Brentwood, looking at 96, 95 in Livermore, 96 in Walnut Creek, 96 in San Ramon. All of these locations yesterday were just near 90 degrees, so I bumped them up about 3 to 4. Mid-70s in Berkeley and the upper 70s expected in Oakland, and North Bay locations near 90 in Santa Rosa, mid-80s in Petaluma, mid-80s in San Rafael, 82 in Kentville, and the lower 70s in Sausalito, as well as in San Francisco. 7-day forecast, yeah, those clouds flirting along the coastline from time to time. You'll see temperatures meandering along the coast anywhere from the mid-60s, maybe the upper 60s, depending on how much sunshine. But all in all, really nice weather pattern, definitely feeling like summertime, and a big cool down coming in just for the beginning of next week. That is a look at your weather this morning. Back up to you.
Okay, thanks, Tracy. It is 6:20 right now. Got to look at...
Letting up at all? The rain is letting up in parts of the North Bay, but South Bay locations actually picking up a little bit more rainfall than in the 5 o'clock hour. Along with the rainfall, we're dealing with some winds out there, so we thought we put up a couple of locations across the Bay Area just to give you an idea of what you'll be dealing with today. Inverness looking at winds gusting as high as 39 miles an hour since midnight. San Francisco Ocean Beach at 37 miles an hour. Daly City at 34 miles an hour. And look at SFO. Winds sustained out of the west and northwest around 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 31. So gusty winds will be in the forecast today, along with much cooler temperatures. And let's not forget the rainfall. High-def Doppler showing still looking at some moderate to heavy rainfall moving into parts of the South Bay. And we know that by the color that's illustrated on our high-def Doppler. So where you see the brighter color is where you're running into heavier rainfall. That's through Palo Alto, Sunnyvale, Fremont, into Union City, Pleasanton, as well as into Livermore. And also looking at just a heavy line of showers moving into Half Moon Bay. The green showing more light rainfall through San Mateo and also moving into the Daly City area. We'll move up just a little bit more towards the north, and you can see some East Bay locations. You got dumped on the 5 o'clock hour, and now we're seeing that heavy rainfall tapering off to more light rainfall. And that's moving in through Oakland, Alameda, Berkeley, as well as into Benicia, Hercules, and Richmond. And North Bay locations tapering off a bit, at least for now. Petaluma, Novato, and San Rafael, you're not seeing any rainfall currently, but look at this line of showers just off the coastline. It's going to be moving to the northwest, and that's going to be bringing more showers to the North Bay during the morning. Our forecast, so how wet will it be today? Well, steady rainfall expected for the morning, and then eventually you'll see that translating and transitioning into spotty and scattered showers well into the afternoon. So heading out the door, you got the umbrella, you got the nice rain jacket on, you'll need it. Rain and gusty winds expected with temperatures in the upper 40s to the lower 50s. That's for the morning. And as we head into the afternoon, still expecting some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Some small-sized hail will be likely. And again, breezy and cool during the day with temperatures in the 50s, essentially, for the entire Bay Area. Pinpoint forecast, we like to time it out for you, let you know what the rest of the day will look like. And this is based on model data. Here we go, 6 o'clock in the morning. We do have a little yellow in there, so we are more likely to see again some heavy rainfall from 8 to 9 to 10 o'clock, moving down to the peninsula and the South Bay. And as we move into the afternoon, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, we still got a lot of green and even a little yellow on here, so we're still expecting some spotty showers in the forecast well through this evening. And with the morning as well as the evening, how much rainfall could we pick up? Up to an inch in some of the wettest spots in the North Bay, up to a half of an inch in the East Bay. But if you did get caught up in one of those heavier downpours, you could see more than that. Up to 3/10 of an inch in the South Bay and up to 3/4 of an inch in the peninsula as well as the Santa Cruz Mountains. Other parts, northern parts of the state, definitely getting some rainfall today as well. Eureka, Ukiah, Redding, as also Sacramento with thunderstorms likely. 55 degrees in Monterey with possible thunderstorms. Breezy in Fresno, so if you are going to be traveling this morning, bear in mind showers and thunderstorms expected. Windy in Yosemite with temperatures in the upper 40s and the lower 40s in Lake Tahoe with a winter weather advisory in effect until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Looking at snowfall levels dropping from 6,000 to 4,000 feet up to a foot of snowfall likely. Okay, so more scattered showers in the forecast Wednesday and even Thursday, even though most of Thursday expected to be rain-free. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we recover nicely with plenty of sunshine expected and warmer weather just in time for the weekend. That's Look at Your Weather. Back up to you, Julia.
No kidding. Good skiing for this weekend. Last time. All right, 6:24. We'll be right